God doesn't mince his words. He doesn't stutter when he says it. He said, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and his law he meditates day and night. And I'm going to have to tell you, the door to open to success is that you do this, is that you delight, you find joy. You, instead of watching Scandalous, instead of watching Mob Doctor or whatever stuff that you like, you going to go to the Word of God. You understand? That's what's going to be your delight. And so on his law, he meditates day and night. Delight is in the law, and he meditates day and night. That's what you got to get to if you want success, and success comes from the hand of God. It doesn't come, I don't care how much you work for yourself. You can work for yourself, and it still doesn't mean you're going to be successful. God holds the key to your success. He is the one that can make you successful. You can't do it by yourself.